My name is Simona Valletta, and I'm a group leader at the University of Manchester, where I lead the Leukemic Stem Cell Niche Group. The John Goldman funded project is about acute myeloid leukemia, that is the most common adult leukemia, and affects white blood cells that are very important because they are part of the body's immune system fighting disease and infections. The point of this project is to investigate the role of the niche or the microenvironment where leukemic cells are located. In particular, we have a paper that is very close to publication where we identified a small protein receptor that is called the chemokine receptor 1 that is overexpressed in leukemia, both in mouse and in human. So the John Goldman project aims to investigate the role of this particular receptor, CCR1, and to inhibit this receptor with a molecule that has been provided by Novartis. So we want to understand if inhibiting CCR1 we have an effect on leukemia progression and chemoresistance, and if we can reshape the microenvironment in a way that is less supportive for leukemia. And hopefully this will get to the development of new therapeutic targets and therapies for AML patients. There has been the approval of different therapies for AML. So this is a very exciting moment to work in AML. But despite that and this progress, the backbone of the treatment is still chemotherapy. And a lot of people develop relapse after chemotherapy still. So we want to try to understand what happens and how the microenvironment is guiding this relapse in AML patients. And the way we are going to do this is to look at leukemia from the microenvironment point of view. So what we hope with this project, and this is the final aim of my group and this project in particular, is to identify CCR1 as a general target for AML and the inhibition of CCR1 as a new therapy that could be used with other existing therapies to improve and to make a significant change in AML patients. The John Goldman Fellowship is a very prestigious fellowship that is aimed at early career researchers that have the potential to be leaders in the future in this field. So it's a big honor for me to be awarded this fellowship, also because it gives me the possibility, together with my group, to deliver really new project and really new science. And also, obviously, this is supporting a postdoc in my lab that has the opportunity to join the University of Manchester and working on this exciting project. I try to make space and a good time to keep a good balance of life, work, and to keep my personal life. And I really like to traveling around, both for work and in my personal life. Also, due to the stress, it is quite a good level of stress related to this job. I like to exercise regularly, so it's possible if you don't find me at work, you find me in the gym. And I'm very, very committed. I have a genuine interest in promoting equality, diversity, and inclusion, and supporting women in science. That goes far beyond my job. And I'm very glad to be part of a university where these values really count, and they are very committed in promoting equality, diversity, and inclusion.